Hi everyone, welcome to the Python course Basics to Advanced with a Real Project. My name is Rahul Vamanan, Technology Consultant, Amrita Technology Business Incubator. Now you may have a question in your mind, is this right course for you? If you like to start the course from the scratch, you can join for this course. Because we have arranged this course in such a way that we will start from the basic, we will guide you through the master one. Even though you don't have a basics of Python, you can join for this course. Because we have arranged this course in very simple manner.